get the balloons in the shot? Because they're right there. He's an idiot.
Let me see if I freaking out.
My parents brought me over today for my birthday.
Dude, my bad. I didn't even realize your shit was good. You doing fun?
Clash.
Road
But it was a review class, so I could leave.
Oh, see that man?
Which was cool.
Oh, did it? Look, the video stopped and his tail immediately stopped wagging. Sorry,
stop the video, see if it still stops.
Oh, he goes over the TV.
He's smart, he went to the TV. Yo, he's smart as shit. Kaiser's not
honestly,
look,
I'm really glad you got that on camera because that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
That was impressive.
Yeah, but he noticed that it wasn't playing on that shit too, fucking.
Yo, honestly, this is how you could train him.
What do you
If
suggest?
you could tape yourself working through a training thing with him, and then you could just sit there and have him watch it.
Yeah, right?
He's paying such attention to that shit right now.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
ridiculous.
He's so into it. Jesus, you're gonna fucking put a hole in the floor, man. He's so close to the TV right now. Like he doesn't acknowledge the balloons at all. Oh, now he does. There's so much going on, guys. There's so much going on.
That's fucking hilarious. Oh, 2 down. Who do we get? Batman.
Oh yeah, guys, get up!
Batman down.
Yeah! Fuck him up!
Here we go. Last fight. Who do you think is gonna be the last balloon standing?
I got money on the Power Rangers.
Orange, I got.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'll do this
Just
turtle.
Oh shit!
You do realize that he's gonna kill anyone with balloons now.
Yeah, but who goes over here with balloons?
It's someone who deserves to die. We always have a way to kill someone we don't like now. Here, James doesn't want to walk in my house.
Honestly though, about that training shit, I think I would.
Be a dog. We should try it.
Because then you could literally just leave a loop on while you're or whatever, and he would just sit there like an idiot.
And then watch him.
Oh.
Alright, get down, son.
And I gotta show you